Hey, good morning. So I'm gonna go over my levels for today that I think I'm gonna see. Let me see what the market's doing and what it's showing. Okay. So these big bubbles are large volume indicators. So as you can see, blue means it's gonna go up, black means it should go down. So we had a couple big sellers right here. See how it says 300? Boom. Step in, didn't go up. So this is like a significant level right here that I guess there's passive buying here. And passive, no, well, not passive buying, passive selling here. So they're driving the price down and they're holding this area. So we can mark this level. All right. Come on, let's mark this. That's where they see where that 347. We can mark that level. Okay. Excuse me. There's a big seller here. Can mark that level. We're just marking levels right now just to see where where price is going, where price has been, where price can go. Okay. So it opened last it opened last night with a big old jump. Okay. Not last night, but Sunday. So 16th to the 18th. Look how it was already in end of Friday, it was already going down. Try to push up with big selling right here, big buying right here to drive the price up, but nothing. So we can set a line here. Let's see where that's at. Okay. So that's just around here, right? Let me see. Yeah. Let's just put this at the tip right here because look, the big buyer. There's a lot of passive selling right here. They ate up all this, came down. It was quick. It was a couple. It was quick. So this is where you have to kind of see, like the market reacts super quick, and it does prints a lot of the range bars real fast. That's where you have to see where like a big limit order was. So it moves the market real quick, and it goes crazy, right? So we're just marking some levels, nothing too crazy, right? If it decides to shoot up there, we know at least okay, it's right there or whatever, right? So look, the dates. See, you can see this big thing, but you don't really see what's in there, like the range bars, because this is the 15 minute, right? So see, I'm gonna mark them off on the 30. I've been liking the 30 lately for now, and then I'll place my orders on the minute. For the entry, I'll look to get in here. So on the 30, let's see how it looks. So it looks pretty nice. Bearish means going down. Okay, so we'll draw a line here. We'll draw a line. We'll draw a line there. Okay. We'll draw a line there. And we'll draw a line. Wait. We'll draw a line here. Okay. So the reason I'm drawing lines there are this. You get to see, look, actually, I'm going to draw a line right here too. Okay. So this is what I do. Is it right? I don't know. Am I profitable? Yes, sometimes. A lot of the times. Whatever. So, okay. Price had a kind of fast move from here to here. Boom. Held, stopped here. Buyers stepped in. Boom. Made a high. Made a low here. High here. Ooh, excuse me. Low here. High here. Low here. High here. Low here. And it's going up. So maybe bulls are up. Maybe bulls are awake. Maybe bulls are tired of fucking taking all this shit, taking all this bearish bullery, bearish bullying. But that's what the big dogs do. Remember, okay? They buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat. So why didn't I mark this low? It's because as the lows get closer, let me redo it. Okay. Look, as the lows get closer, those are the important lows and those are the important highs. So look, we can mark this level off too. That could be like a nice little area. Actually, no. I'll just confuse you, and no bueno. So up. Let's do the low, the low of the low, and then right there, and then right here. So we'll see. Okay, broke this. Okay, it's trading above here. Let's see how it acts here. If there's bigger sellers, if it's gonna keep going down here, and let's see how it acts here. Is it gonna fucking hold and keep going up here? Is it gonna break and keep going down? This is kind of like guidelines to see how the price is gonna move. So, then when you zoom out and go further back, then you can be like, oh, okay, I'm gonna target over here, or somewhere like around here, or somewhere over here. Doesn't You don't want to if you're a day trader, scalper, or you want to be in a trade for a couple hours and you don't want to hold your trades overnight, you have to see like, okay, I want to target something kind of close where it's gonna move pretty fast, maybe in a half hour, and as you go into the 15, you could clean it up, you know. You go into the 5, you clean it up, just move it closer to like the lower one of these, right? See, see how that's higher? It's lower, just move it there, and then this one's high right there, move it there, and you can see already what's happening. Okay, it broke. Buyers are buying. They came here, right? It was holding this area of this level right here. Okay, so and in the ES market, I've noticed that they like to do this around this time. This is like pre-market. They'll make big moves. This is already bullish on the lower time frames. This is already a bullish trend. You see, it's high, low, higher, high, lower lows, higher highs, and it they buy low, sell high. So um just wait for your hours. You know what I mean? Wait for your trading hours and make moves there. Okay, just because they're doing something doesn't mean you have to react. So just see the market, see how it's moving right now. That was a big move. Okay, so let's see like a volume. This one. See, they're starting to. It's a big move, but look, this was a heavy volume here, right? Kind of reloaded, boom. So it could be going bearish again, but you got to see what it does when it gets to areas like this, where it's like, where like they tried to step in there, but no, not yet. They maybe tried to step in here to go, no, not yet. Here, no, not yet. So right here, they're doing something again. Look at this, more bulls, more green. So these are my levels for now. I am going to keep an eye out, see what it does. I could probably mark this area right here, just to kind of not have a big old gap, not wait or something. So, we could see potentially. That's what I see. Look, the 4 hour, it's pretty bullish. Hour looks bullish. 30 looks bullish. It looks kind of bearish, but look, it's printing these. Right? So we just gotta wait. If it crosses up here, then maybe it could be more bullish. But we see how this length is, and this has bigger like spikes. So you have to take that into account. Where like could be wanting to go bear. See, the time frames are saying that it looks bullish. You know, to the daily. The daily is still bearish, but that's like an indecisive candle, right? Like it's weak bear candle, but we'll see how this goes. All right, have a good trading day. Peace.